Imagine sculpting your destiny with timeless principles that have guided the great minds of history. We're not just talking philosophy, we're talking about actionable rules that can reshape your life. Let's dive right into the first Stoic principle. Welcome, champions of personal and professional growth. Today, we embark on a transformative journey as we delve into the profound wisdom of Stoicism. Get ready to elevate your life with 12 Stoic rules to transform your life. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss any videos. Principle 1. Embrace what you can control. Imagine your life as a ship sailing through unpredictable waters. In the journey of existence, storms will inevitably arise, testing the resilience of your vessel. Stoic rule number 1 not only urges you to weather these storms but also prompts you to embrace the helm with unwavering determination. As we dive deeper into this principle, let's explore the art of discernment, understanding what lies within the sphere of your influence and what exists beyond. By mastering this skill, you fortify your ship against the turbulent waves of uncertainty, steering it towards the destination of your choosing. Embrace the profound wisdom encapsulated in this rule, and watch as your journey through life transforms into a voyage guided by intention, purpose, and unyielding resilience. Principle 2. Choose perspective over obstacles. As we delve deeper into Stoic rule number 2, envision the obstacles in your life as raw materials waiting to be transformed. Instead of perceiving them as roadblocks, see them as the sculptor sees a block of marble, a medium for crafting a masterpiece. This principle encourages a shift in focus from the impediment itself to the skills, virtues, and strengths you can develop while overcoming it. By choosing perspective over obstacles, you become the architect of your own resilience, constructing a mindset that can withstand the test of time. Prepare to embark on a journey of transformation, where challenges cease to be hurdles but rather opportunities for personal and character evolution. Principle 3. Live in accordance with nature. As we explore Stoic rule number 3, delve into the profound wisdom of aligning your life with the intricate dance of the cosmos. Imagine a life where your choices, actions, and aspirations resonate with the universal rhythm, much like a single note complementing the entire symphony. Living in accordance with nature is not a departure from modernity, instead, it's an invitation to rediscover the timeless principles that have guided humanity for millennia. By integrating these principles into your daily existence, you unlock a source of enduring tranquility, purpose, and a deep sense of connection to the world around you. Join me on this transformative journey as we navigate the path toward a more harmonious and purposeful life. If you're enjoying the video, leave me a like to continue creating quality content that helps you in your daily life. Principle 4. Cultivate virtuous habits. In the pursuit of personal and professional success, the cultivation of virtuous habits becomes the cornerstone of our journey. Stoic rule number 4 invites us to recognize that our daily habits are the architects of our character and, consequently, our destiny. Imagine these habits as the building blocks of a fulfilling and purpose-driven life. Together, we'll delve into actionable steps to embed virtues into our routine, ensuring that each habit contributes to our evolution. Join me on this transformative path where every virtuous choice molds us into the architects of our own success. Principle 5. Practice negative visualization. As we navigate the realm of Stoic rule number 5, delve deeper into the transformative power of negative visualization. This ancient practice serves as a mental crucible, forging resilience and gratitude in the furnace of life's uncertainties. Together, we'll unravel the psychology behind this profound exercise, understanding how envisioning the worst-case scenarios not only prepares us for the unpredictable nature of existence but also cultivates a profound appreciation for the present moment. Join me on this exploration of the Stoic art of envisioning adversity, and discover how it can become a potent catalyst for fortitude and serenity in the face of life's inevitable challenges. Principle 6. Foster a mindset of abundance. As we immerse ourselves in the realm of Stoic rule number 6, let's further unpack the profound implications of fostering a mindset of abundance. This mindset acts as a lens, allowing us to perceive the world as a vast landscape of opportunities rather than a landscape of limitations. In this segment, we'll delve into practical strategies for nurturing an abundance mentality, exploring how it can reshape our perceptions, amplify gratitude, and elevate our overall well-being. Join me on this journey of abundance, where we'll unlock the transformative power of appreciating the richness that life unfolds before us, fostering a mindset that turns the ordinary into the extraordinary. Do you apply any of these Stoic principles in your daily life? Leave it in the comments, I would love to know. Principle 7. Embrace discomfort for growth. Stoic rule number 7 beckons us to the threshold of our comfort zones, inviting us to step into the realm of discomfort for unparalleled growth. In this segment, we'll unravel the profound connection between discomfort and personal evolution. Join me in understanding how embracing challenges and discomfort fosters resilience, adaptability, and an unwavering inner strength. Principle 8. Exercise intentional gratitude. Gratitude is a superpower, and Stoic rule number 8 unveils the art of intentional gratitude. Beyond mere acknowledgement, intentional gratitude involves a conscious appreciation of life's intricacies. Together, we'll explore how infusing gratitude into daily practices enhances overall well-being, nurtures meaningful connections, and amplifies the joy inherent in the simplest of moments. Principle 9. Recognize the impermanence of all things. In the grand tapestry of existence, change is the only constant. Stoic rule number 9 guides us to acknowledge the impermanence of all things. This profound principle invites us to savor the beauty of fleeting moments and navigate the ebb and flow of life with grace. Join me in embracing the transience of existence and discovering the liberation that comes from letting go of attachments. Principle 10. Turn adversity into advantage. Transforming adversity into advantage is an art form, and Stoic rule number 10 serves as our guiding brushstroke. In this segment, we'll explore the alchemical process of turning life's challenges into stepping stones for success. Join me in deciphering the wisdom behind embracing adversity not as a hindrance but as a catalyst for unparalleled personal and professional growth. Principle 11. Cultivate resilience in the face of setbacks. Resilience is a muscle that grows stronger with every setback, and Stoic rule number 11 compels us to cultivate this vital attribute. Together, we'll delve into the art of bouncing back from adversity, understanding that setbacks are not roadblocks but detours on the journey of life. Join me in unraveling the secrets to building resilience that can withstand the storms of uncertainty. Principle 12. Live in accordance with nature. As we culminate our exploration of Stoic principles, rule number 12 beckons us to live in accordance with nature. This final rule encapsulates the essence of Stoicism, emphasizing the alignment of our lives with the fundamental principles of the universe. Join me in deciphering how living in harmony with nature enables us to navigate life's complexities with wisdom, purpose, and an unwavering sense of tranquility. As we conclude this transformative journey through the 12 Stoic principles, remember that Stoicism is not just a philosophy but a way of life. Each rule, when applied intentionally, becomes a powerful tool for sculpting a life of virtue, resilience, and profound fulfillment. I encourage you to reflect on these principles, incorporate them into your daily practices, and witness the profound impact they can have on your personal and professional journey. Discover the links to these exclusive treats in the video description. Transform your relationship with our personalized relationship recovery program. Dive into the Step-by-Step Plan for Relationship Recovery, a best-selling ebook available in MP3 audio and HD video versions. Gain exclusive access to 2 private, one-on-one email consultations with our expert team, tailoring the recovery plan to your unique situation. Reignite the flame and build a stronger connection. Your journey to a revived relationship starts here. Embark on the journey to personal success and professional growth with our Master Course Collection, Path to Personal Success and Professional Growth. This comprehensive collection of educational modules is designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge, and mindset needed to reach your full potential. Your keys to thriving relationships and unstoppable success await you. See you in the next video, where we'll explore more Stoic principles to enhance your personal and professional growth. Until then, be stoic and keep seeking the best version of yourself.